how to receive or claim gifts on Steam. So first things first, if there is a specific instance wherein you're currently playing any games from Steam, or if you're currently online on Steam while your friend is sending you a gift, then you will automatically receive a notification at the lower right portion of your screen. So there will be a pop out, and then all you have to do is to click on that and just automatically accept or open it. But if there is an instance that you're away from your PC, or you're not currently online while receiving that gift, is you can still open it. Now logged in and pull up your Steam software and make sure that you logged into your account. And then the next thing to do is just to locate this portion right here that says Steam. Click on that and then head over directly to View and then go to Inventory. Now, once your inventory, this is all your trades and gifts will show. You just have to change this drop down right here so that you should be able to see your current gifts. So click on this drop down and go to view gift history. So if you have gifts that have received while you're currently away, then these will be their parking space. You just have to click on that current gift for you to be able to open it and to receive it. And that's how you receive or claim gifts on Steam.